Hi guys, I'm Raf, welcome back to the channel. So over the last couple of weeks we've been working on a project in the workshop and I think you'll like what we've done. So come through, I'll show you what we've actually been working on. So guys, beside me we have a beautiful Bentley Continental GT convertible. This car has come in from a regular client of ours. We've done quite a few audio upgrades for him. This actual car left Bentley with their upgraded Naim audio system. However, if you've heard one, you'll probably agree it doesn't sound very good. It was very flat, no real depth, no real loudness. And I mean, this guy really likes his music. So we brought the car in, we had a listen to it. We came up with a plan on how we could improve what is already there. Now, for those of you out there who don't know, a convertible vehicle is actually a very hard environment to get a really good audio system in. But I kid you not, this car sounds fantastic. So if you follow me around, I'll show you what we've actually done. So we'll start with the front of the car. So as you can see, it's got a one-off interior. It's a beautiful car. And the nice thing about this system, the only requirement this owner actually had was he wanted everything to look completely stock. So he didn't want to see anything. Now, this in itself sometimes is a bit of a challenge because, you know, sometimes mounting speakers and tweeters, surface mounting them is a lot easier than hiding them because there's a lot of fabrication which goes on, which unfortunately you can't see. So I'll run you through what the car's actually got in it and I'll explain to you what we've actually done. So, like I said earlier on, this vehicle left Bentley with the Naim audio upgrade. We've upgraded the whole system using Hertz and Audison equipment. It's our go-to at the moment. It works really well. It's really good bang for your buck and it just rocks in this car. So starting with the front of the car, this car utilizes a three-way front audio system. So we've got a factory woofer in the door, we've got a mid-range, we've then got a tweeter in each of the A-pillars. We've actually replaced all of that with Hertz Miele Legend speakers. So we've got a 6.5-inch Miele Legend woofer in the door, we've got a 3-inch Miele Legend mid-range driver, and we've got the Miele Legend tweeters in the A-pillars. Again, everything's stock and hidden. We actually 3D printed in-house some really nice colours, which funnily enough match the colour of the car with the Bentley logos to take the speakers. Now, all of them are direct fit, they've gone straight in, they work really well. We've sound deadened the door, there's plenty of sound deadening gone into the doors, and that's completely transformed the front end of this car. In the actual front doors, there is actually a speaker at the back as well, and this speaker is actually the mid-bass driver for the rear seat passenger. So it's actually got a three-way rear system as well, which utilizes a 5.25-inch mid-bass driver in the front door for the rear passengers, a 3-inch mid-range in the rear quarter panel, and a tweeter. So all of them speakers have been upgraded using the Hertz lineup. I'll link all the speakers in the description below. Let's go over and show you the woofer. So guys, we're in the back of the car now, and this car actually left Bentley with a 6x9 Naim woofer, which went behind the ski hatch over here. What Bentley have done, which is really good, is they've actually already vented the actual woofer to allow the bass to come from the boot into the actual cabin of the vehicle. So we've actually utilized that, it works really well. Again, it looks completely stock, but what we've actually done is behind this ski hatch, we've built a custom enclosure. So we've built a brand new enclosure which houses an 8-inch Miele Legend subwoofer, and we'll show you what that looks like right now. So that's firing straight through this ski hatch into the cabin of the vehicle. And for anybody who's heard one of these woofers, they sound absolutely fantastic. The lows are really tight. We've gone for a sealed box. It's really tight, controlled bass, and it really improves the low end on this actual car. The whole system we're talking about is run off a couple of Audison amplifiers, which are mounted in the boot. So we'll go in and show you that now. So guys, we're at the back of this car now, and in the boot of this vehicle, if you look, we've got the subwoofer enclosure, and we've got a nice trim panel which absolutely hides everything away. We've utilised the factory name plaque because again, the customer wanted it to look completely stock. This trim panel is on magnet, so it can be removed, so I'll show you what's behind there. So behind here, we've actually got two amplifiers, two Audison amplifiers. On the left, we've got the Audison AFC 8.14 bit 4-0 amplifier. That's a brand new 8-channel amplifier. That's actually running the whole front end of this car. So that's running the front mid-bass drivers, the front mid-range, and the front tweeters, all fully active. The rear speakers in the car are actually still being run off the factory Naim amplifier. The amplifier on the right is an APF1D, that's a 4-0 mono amplifier, and that's actually running the Hertz 8-inch driver. As you can see, everything is accessible, everything is serviceable, all the fuses you can get access to. We've also mounted a couple of fans in the back here as well, just to let some air circulate through. When this cover's on, just stop things heating up, and it works really well. And at the end of it all, you can put the cover on, everything looks stock, everything looks nice. So guys, that's the Bentley project, all complete. Hope you like what you saw. This car's now ready for customer to come and collect. If anybody wants something similar doing on their car, any custom work, custom audio, you want a system installing, drop us a shout. Guys, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below any questions you may have. See you later.